Hi guys, story time lang. Alam niyo bang way back 2022, ang dami kong biniling libro. I think mga 5 books yon, puro self-help books for self-development, mga ganyan, for business, ganyan. Pero alam niyo ba, out of 5 books, ilan lang ang natapos ko? Isa lang. At alam niyo ba kung kailan ko lang natapos? This year lang and last month lang. So 4 years kong hawak yung books, guys. Isa lang natapos ko. Bakit? Hindi dahil sa pangit yung mga libro, but because mas marami akong time na hawak ko yung phone ko kaysa sa mga libro. If you are just like me, a doom scroller, tas nahihirapan ka mag-focus kahit gusto mo naman talagang matapos yung ginagawa mo, or maybe napakabilis mong ma-distract, or ikaw yung tao na alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung gusto mo, alam mo na kung anong gagawin, pero nahihirapan ka kasi hindi mo alam kung paano sisimulan at kung saan sisimulan. So guys, I launched my first digital guide, the Doom Scrollers Reset Guide. It has a 25 questions that will help you to stop, to focus, to feel, and to start again. Alam nyo, sobrang nung nakita ko, nung ginagawa ko to, sabi ko, la sana nung mga panahong stuck ako, existed na to. So guys, I hope you will get this. So go and get your copy. Just comment reset on the comment section, or you can message me directly so I can send you on how to get the guide, the Doom Scrollers Reset Guide. So guys, thank you for listening kung nakaabot naman dito, and I hope na hindi na tayo mag-aksaya ng another year. So if you are in your 20s or in your 30s, start as young as possible, start as early as possible. Go and learn as much as you can. Kasi tayo din naman magbe-benefit nito eh. So, thank you, and I'm happy to help you guys, and I'm so excited for you.